Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription boxes and product reviews, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. Guys, I do want to remind you we do have an active giveaway going on. It is the huge holiday collab that we did with Samantha Sweets. That is going to be linked down below. Definitely check it out and enter if you have not already. It does end Black Friday, so you do want to get entered. But today we have one of my favorite boxes, and that is Vino. Because in here we have like goods, treats, goods, lifestyle items, and we got wine. What? Yeah, you heard me right. So, a little bit about Vino. Like I said, it is a subscription. It is actually like a seasonal subscription, so it's only 4 times a year. This is their their Vino Oh Ho Ho holiday box. And y'all, they are running a promo right now. I'll put the promo down below. It is Southern, along with a link. If you sign up right now for $59.99 a season, you will receive not only the box of goods, you will also receive 3 bottles of wine with every box. The good thing about Vino is you can choose the type of wine you prefer. Now, most of their wine comes from California. Now, the best part, you get to choose your wine. You get to choose all red, all white, a mix of red and white, or all sweet. Now, in the past, I've gotten a mix of red and white. I actually am more of a sweet wine drinker. I love Moscato. That is absolutely my favorite. I will drink red Roscato. There is a red holiday Christmas wine I'll drink. But I definitely prefer a sweeter wine, and Vino does send this to me for review, so thank you so very much. I do greatly appreciate it. But y'all, they let me get sweet wine this time, so I actually get to show you the Moscato. So instead of showing you the red and the white, I get to show you their Moscatos. So, but the promo, like I said, you get the box, you'll get 3 bottles of wine for life. Normally it is 2. I only have 2 here. But if you sign up with the link down below and the promo code, you're going to get 3 bottles every season with your box of goodies. So the first one is Night Vine 2019 California Moscato. Our vineyards never sleep. I've had this one before. You guys, this is one of the best Moscatos I have ever had. I love cupcake Moscato. It's the Diasati, or however it is that you say it. It's a little bubbly. This isn't bubbly, but it is delicious. It is just this amazing, amazing wine. I cannot wait to open this bottle. And then the other one they sent me is also a California Moscato, and it is Speechless. And I don't think I've had this one, but I'm sure it's going to be good. All of their wine is really good, but I can tell you from personal experience, the Moscato is definitely delicious. Good luck only having 1 or 2 glasses. That's all I'm gonna say. So there's the wine portion. Let's get in here to the goods. Let's see what we got for the Ho 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 holiday box. And ooh, one thing I love is Vino always sends little cards here, and they go over each item, and then they have one product card that will tell you all of the items and how much they cost. So right now, this box I can see by looking, and this is only valuing at 2 bottles of wine, not 3, just for the 2 bottles. And the 6 lifestyle items, $157. So you're gonna get about $100 more than what you pay for. Actually, more than that, because like I said, that's not counting the third bottle of wine. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, the first item, this is intriguing to me. I'm going to undo the little twisty tie. This looks so fun. Like, I'm so excited. Okay. So this is a charger for your phone, but it lights up, y'all. Sexy hair holiday light up charger. Like, this is awesome. So you see it's USB. Now that is an iPhone port, but I'm thinking, yep, that's for like a Samsung. So Christopher could use this as well. This is so stinking adorable. I find the fun and stuff in things like this, so to me this is just amazing. I love that. And that is valued at $12. Now, this is here on top, so I kind of have to get to it. This is Price's Fine Chocolates Peppermint Bark. This is valued at $5. That is one thing too, you always get some kind of chocolatey treat. Usually chocolatey. I think for the last at least 3 to 4 boxes it's been chocolatey. But how beautiful is that? And you know it's going to be delicious. Oh, it's got the candy cane broken up on top. Excuse me. All right, let's see. Then we have got, oh, this is bigger than I thought it would be. The potted plant. Oh, this is enriched with natural hemp seed oil. This is a hemp vanilla chai body lotion. That's a big old, that's 16.5 ounces. This is $23. Let's see what this smells like. I bet it smells heavenly. Oh my gosh, that smells almost like frosting or just goodness. What that makes sense. Frosting or just goodness. Put some on my hands. That's just like a regular lotion. It's not too thick. I like that, but it's not thin either. Oh my gosh, y'all, that smells so good. Oh. Good. Okay. And like I said, that is valued at $23. And then we have something here. Pretty little things inside. This is going to be the Stephanie's Bridal Boutique Earrings, valued at $25. I almost don't want to open it. Those are so pretty. They catch the light, and one thing I think with these would be great for, well, if we were able to go to holiday parties, but little mini gatherings with family, these would be beautiful. You can see the sparkle. They're just stunning. I love those. Oh, gorgeous. And then, this was actually a bonus. This is a bonus right now. This is a wine tote. It says Jingle All the Way. So the value of this is not added into this $157 either. Slant Collections, Every Day is a Party, Canvas Wine Bottle Bag. So that is actually really nice. I like that. Jingle all the way. All right, and then we have got from Stay Cozy. Oh my God. Okay. This is $15, Willow Collective mug. How darn cute. And it's ceramic. This is like etched in there, almost like, not cement, but it's different. And it's red inside. And you can see it's a thicker mug. I mean, this mug's got some weight to it. This mug is actually very nice. I mean, this is big enough you can use for soup. But I love it. Can you imagine like drinking some hot chocolate and just, oh, yes. All right. Like I said, that is 15. We have one final item, and they are speaking to my little country southern soul right now. So this is a blanket. It also says stay cozy, but it's in the like buffalo plaid. Oh. Willow Collective. So this is the same brand that makes the mug. Plaid throw, $30. Let's see if it tells us. It doesn't tell us dimensions. So it's either, I mean, typically a standard throw blanket, I believe, is the 50 by 60. So I would imagine that it may be a little bit smaller. It's hard to tell with it all wrapped up, and it would be too big to be, even if it is smaller than that. But all I know is it's like super soft. It's like plush. Y'all, this is like so soft. What is the reverse side? Okay, so the reverse side looks the same, but it is so soft. So we have this super adorable, super soft and cozy blanket, the mug, the earrings, the adorable charger, the lotion that just smells amazing, the earrings that are just absolutely stunning, the peppermint bark. We also, right now, again, another free gift you get is the canvas wine tote, in addition to the 3 bottles of wine. And if I did not mention, the 3 bottles of wine is for life, like for the entirety of your subscription. So I will put a link down below. Definitely head over, check out Vino, y'all. I promise you will not be disappointed. I've been getting Vino for almost 2 years, and I can tell you right now, I was a paying customer. Like I said, now they do send this to me for review. Thank you very much, Vino. This ho holiday box, best Vino box ever. You need, if there's ever a Vino box for you to get your hands on, it's this one. Just saying. Just saying. So thank you so very much to my channel members for your support of my channel. I greatly appreciate it, guys, and I appreciate all of you being here. I appreciate everyone that takes the time to watch my videos. It means so very much. I love y'all. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one.